There's so much darkness closing in. Just swirl around slowly, you'll find an opening. A light will appear like an animal between the trees. There you'll find your pocket of peace. Make a perfect circle, it's all around you. Put your mark on the map, anywhere or nowhere. It's up to you, it's not